The next step before I could do the wall tiling was to get a ledger installed and do the grout in the floor tiles. The Twitch stream got onto the subject of etiquette and sub-bagging, so this video is a little different in that you get to hear my very thoroughly thought through opinions on the matter while I do grout work.
In the industry, online, whether it's in phone games or streams or Patreon or whatever, right? The people who are willing to just throw money at the content creator are called whales. So those people who are just like, and you know, if you've been around Twitch for a little while, you've seen them. They're like, every stream, here's $5, $10, $200 sort of thing. And when there is a whale on stream that's willing to send a lot of money or gift a lot of subs or whatever, they routinely make up a significant, if not majority portion, especially of a small streamer, their income. A whale can make or break a streamer being able to buy food for a month or not. Like, it's a big deal. So streamers and content creators, but I'll just call them streamers because we're on Twitch right now. Streamers get protective over these people and they don't want to risk the whales being unhappy, because if the whales get unhappy, they might go somewhere else and then you lose your ability to buy food for the month without putting it on your credit card, etc., etc. Now, a lot of people feel like when someone comes along on the street and is like, spare change, like right up in your face, really aggressive about it, that doesn't make you feel very good. When you equate, correctly or not, you equate the, spare change to, hey, I just need this many more gift subs, or boy, these commercials really suck. I'm so poor. Wouldn't it be nice if I could get a sub? Blah, 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 however you want to phrase it, right? Like, there's a lot of ways that people go about doing this sort of thing. And like, I've even seen people call individuals out and say, hey, this person, can you give me a sub on this channel? You gave all these other people a sub. Can you give me a sub? Right? Then it's like really is a cup in your face. Give me a free thing. And for, like I said, for a lot of people, they make the equation of begging for stuff is not a great behavior. Well, okay, a lot of people make the connection between begging and feeling bad. So if someone is in your channel and begging, you are concerned that someone is going to feel bad. And if you have someone who is wailing, you really, really, really don't want them to feel bad. Like, that's the worst thing. So most people on Twitch, streamers and viewers, have the understanding, as far as I know, and if someone wants to present me with statistics on this, I'm happy to be proven wrong, but as far as I know, as far as I've ever seen in anyone else's channel, as far as I've been able to tell with my, what are we at, like 5 or 6 years on Twitch here, and most of that being a streamer, and most of that doing absolutely everything I can to network with other streamers, not absolutely everything, doing a lot that I can to network with other streamers. It's different when the streamer does it. And it's usually different because, one, they make it entertaining. I've seen, for example, when someone needs to take an ad break or a bathroom break or get up and stretch or get up and get food, they have a short video based on the World Vision sort of Sarah McLachlan in the arms of an angel. For the low cost of your Prime sub, you could blah, 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 right? Like, they make it entertaining. So there's kind of three ways to look at it here. You're doing the entertainment, and so you're providing at least a momentary of giggle, or like, hey, that's a neat idea that I haven't seen, or something, right? Like you're doing something that is not just sitting here saying, hey, cough it up. I'm not doing any more tile work until someone starts gifting some subs. That's not how it goes when the streamer does it. So you either have the entertainment happening, or when a streamer is asking for money, it's usually, not always, but usually phrased in such a way of like, I need to fix my laptop so that I can do this thing with this new camera that I just got gifted, right? Laptop's right there. Can't do that if the laptop battery's not working. And usually stuff like that is related towards more entertainment on the stream. So when a streamer is asking for money, it's, one, the streamer is not going to any one specific person saying, hey, I need you to cover the cost of my laptop battery because like I saw that you gave someone else their laptop battery cost covered in their stream. And this is, the equivalent of you gave this other person a sub, so you should give me a sub, right? Like that would be the same thing. I saw you giving this person money for a laptop battery, so you should give me money for a laptop battery. It's the same same thing. Streamers don't do that. They'll ask for mostly from the community, from the whole stream, and not from an individual person. And if they ever do ask for it from an individual person, it's because they have enough of a relationship with that individual person that they know that there is some sort of joke or humor or entertainment being provided in the ask. Either the streamer is preloading the entertainment in a video, or they're asking for something that will improve the quality of the stream or maintain the quality of the stream if something's gone bad. So those are like two options. Or typically they just don't get money. If people come along and they're like every month, okay, you need to pay for my rent and my food and my entertainment, and they're like every month, okay, you need to pay for my rent and my food and my entertainment.
50 gallons of mastic.
Just because I know how interested you are in mastic, right? I wouldn't ask the wrench jockey for that, but I would hit the wrench jockey up for what's wrong with Santa's camper's fridge when it's like minus 26 degrees out over December and I'm sick and I don't have a working fridge in the camper. So, like I said, it's either preloaded, front-loaded entertainment or towards something specific that will improve the entertainment going forward, or they just typically don't get it. Now, none of that is the same as saying, hey, someone go give me a sub, in however sneaky, underhanded way you want to phrase it. Now, that's what I think about it. I'm happy to hear other people's opinions about it as well.
Tell me in the comments what you think about sub-bagging on Twitch. In the next video, I finally start the wall tiles.